Okay, so we'll start talking with the Claude. So I'm just clearing everything. Okay, so let's do the architect. When I invoke the architect, it will load the architectural concept and skills into its memory. So if you see here, it is now checking the documents and what are the files and references we'll be using, and it understands it. And again, I don't have previous run or knowledge about these outputs, so I just made the skills only, and I am running the skills in front of you here. But yeah, I use these skills in different project, of course. So it's saying I can see this is a well documented greenfield project. Ta-ta-ta. Let's me start our conversation. See, it's not just went with, okay, let me implement everything. So that's the starting. We'll never do that. Now, why do I do the architect over here? If you say we have the planning. So planning starts with the architect. I did the architect. What are you building on top of this starter? One sentence, what's the product? So, okay, so this one is not supporting the voice typing, so I'll just clean up over here. I am building a Node.js, Express.js starter project, full stop. The uniqueness of this project building is I'll be using agentic tools and technologies, full stop. So now I have to check it. I am building a Node.js Express.js based starter project. The unique project building is I'll be using, okay, Control C, and we have Control V. Where's the product? So this is the product. Got it. The product is starter itself. You're building reusable Express.js that others can fork, build real APIs on top of it. Nice. Who is the primary user? Is this your own feature work? Yep. Number one, my future projects, but the whole world can use it as GitHub project template. Okay. Then number two, when you say agentic tools and technologies, do you mean the process of building it? No, I mean process of building it. I am screen recording the whole journey. Usually, if possible for you, then try to use Opus in this type of architectural decisions. But yeah, it will be a long video, long discussion, so I don't want to burn everything upfront. But it's doing good. It's doing good. So the perfect project repo specifically uses template. Now use the level that matches your vision. Skeleton only, skeleton full example app. See. Let's see. So it's asking some questions. So it is asking for the behavior, auth, refresh tokens. So I'll be using only this one. Then we have user, root profile management, and beyond basic root roles, admin actions. Good, but admin can manage users. So 2 roles, admin customer. Okay, order. What is an order in this context? Does it reference products? It is a status life cycle. Order, shopping cart order, but we are mimicking. Product, simple catalog, notifications. Nice. See, so again, I wrote everything in my specifications, not specifications, in the architecture reference or the folder structure, but still the architecture agent is asking me for clarifications, which is good. So here's the domain model I'm working from: auth, user, product, order, notification, nope, all good. So now what it did, it wants to write the plan. What we can do is we can create would it be better to write the plan in more task oriented folder like tech or so that concludes our starting of the architect demo. Just close this one. Okay, so I'll just allow everything. We have specs, we have plan. How is the plan look like? Amazing. Great. So we have the plan right now. Then we do the feature level planning and we'll do the planner. See you in the next video.